Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to my health, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: how to stockpile the right foods to ensure you and your loved ones can survive and thrive, no matter what comes your way. And guess what? You only need 5 essential foods: honey, peanut butter, rice, tuna, and beans. Let's get started. In uncertain times, whether due to natural disasters, economic instability, or global pandemics, having a well-thought-out food stockpile can make all the difference. It provides peace of mind, ensures you have enough to eat, and can even save you money. But it's crucial to stockpile the right foods, ones that are nutritious, have a long shelf life, and are versatile. That's where our 5 essential foods come in. Honey. First on our list is honey. Honey is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile and has a practically indefinite shelf life. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. You can use it as a natural sweetener, in medicinal remedies, or even as a preservative for other foods. Peanut butter. Next up we have peanut butter. This tasty spread is high in healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium. Peanut butter is not only delicious but also highly nutritious. It's a great way to add calories and nutrients to your diet, and it doesn't require refrigeration. Rice. Rice is a staple food in many cultures and for a good reason. It's a great source of carbohydrates, providing the energy you need to keep going. Rice is incredibly versatile. You can pair it with almost anything, and it has a long shelf life when stored properly. Whether it's white, brown, or wild rice, this grain should be at the top of your list. Tuna, canned fish. Canned tuna is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. It has a long shelf life and is incredibly versatile. You can use it in salads, casseroles, or even straight out of the can. Stockpiling tuna ensures you have a reliable protein source in any situation. Beans. Last but definitely not least, beans. Whether you prefer black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, these legumes are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Beans are also very filling and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and spreads. Now that you know which foods to stockpile, let's talk about storage. Proper storage is key to ensuring these foods remain fresh and edible for as long as possible. Store honey and peanut butter in cool, dark places. Keep rice, tuna, and beans in airtight containers to protect them from pests and moisture. For an added layer of protection, consider using vacuum-sealed bags. You might be wondering how to create meals with just these 5 foods. The possibilities are endless. Think peanut butter and honey sandwiches, rice and bean bowls, tuna salads, and more. Combining these ingredients creatively can lead to nutritious and delicious meals that keep you satisfied. And there you have it. Stockpiling these 5 essential foods, honey, peanut butter, rice, tuna, and beans, can ensure you're prepared for any situation. They're nutritious, versatile, and have long shelf lives, making them perfect for your survival stockpile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and survival strategies. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.